Now let's get into the microcontroller specific functional concepts of PWM driver. In our case, we have electronics version 2 development board which has a NXP S32K1xx automotive microcontroller, and this microcontroller has a timer peripheral by the name of FlexTimer Peripheral. So FlexTimer Peripheral is a peripheral which is present in NXP S32K1xx microcontrollers, which is used for input capture, output capture and generation of the PWM signals and time delay. And we are going to focus on the PWM signals concepts of the FlexTimer Peripheral for this video and for this course module. So as FTM is a peripheral of a microcontroller, so it has a concept of instances and channels. It has 4 instances in the case of S32K1xx microcontroller named as FTM0, FTM1, FTM2 and FTM3. And each instance has a channels, and in the case of S32K1xx it has 8 channels, and these channels can be mapped to the different pins of the microcontroller. So FTM instance and FTM channels, and each channel can be on the different pins of the microcontroller, meaning the same channel 0 can have multiple pins of a microcontroller. So we have to configure which pin of a microcontroller has to be used in which channel, and then that channel is part of a which instance number. So using this table we can understand which pins of the microcontroller are part of which channels and which instance. So here are instances FTM0, 1, 2, 3, and each instance has 8 channels. Channel 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on each channel, there are different microcontroller pins, as you can see. So we can configure which pin of a microcontroller you want to use, or first of all, we can find out that, okay, which microcontroller pins are available for us to be used in FTM mode. And then that microcontroller pin is part of which channel and which instance, and corresponding to that, we are going to do the configuration.